questions tonight about the president's plan to try the 9/11 suspects at a military commission instead of in federal court here in the United States. For one thing, the experts do not agree on whether the confessed mastermind, Khalid Sheikh Mohammed, can still get the death penalty. And that's just one issue that came up at an emotional hearing today on Capitol Hill. A House committee hearing from the father of Todd Beamer, one of the hero passengers who is said to have brought down Flight 93 in Shanksville, PA. Todd Beamer's father calling the delay in prosecuting the 9/11 suspects shameful.
Let us be crystal clear. The families had no say, no voice, no champions inside the Holder Justice Department. We were ignored, tolerated, overlooked, and misled.
Well, some critics claim the president decided to go with military commissions for political reasons on the same day he kicked off his re-election campaign. But Democrats point out Congress didn't leave him much choice when it blocked the funds for transferring detainees from Gitmo to the United States. Our national correspondent Catherine Herridge, live in D.C. Everyone does seem to agree, Catherine, that the trial and the appeals will go on for a long time.
Well, that's right, Chef. Both sides in the debate, the left and the right, agree that a conviction at commissions will be challenged, possibly to the Supreme Court.
We have military commissions, which will initially convictions will be reviewed by this special tribunal, and then the conviction, if affirmed, will end up being reviewed by the District of Columbia Court of Appeals and maybe by the Supreme Court.
Attorney Stimson, are you in agreement with that?
There's no doubt, Mr. Conyers, that there will be challenges to any convictions that occur under the military commissions. That's correct.
One of the arguments for federal courts has always been that the process would ultimately be much faster, Shep.
Catherine, the president is getting criticism really from the left and the right for this thing.
Well, he is. The ACLU, Shep, issued a blunt statement today. Quote, the Obama administration's decision to use the broken and deficient military commission system to prosecute the most important terrorism cases of our time is completely wrong. And while a democratically controlled Congress blocked funding in December for the trial of the detainees in the U.S., Human Rights Watch says the administration should have acted sooner.
It's disingenuous of the administration to blame Congress for these restrictions. They had a full year to transfer Khalid Sheikh Mohammed and the others to federal court in New York, and they didn't.
Asked to respond to the criticism, the White House today focused on the future, not past decisions.
Given the circumstances we find ourselves in on this issue, it is time to move forward with prosecuting these suspects.
And that may not be the end of it. In fact, one human rights group told Fox today that they want the administration to reconsider the decision before the 9/11 suspects are formally arraigned, probably later this year, Shep.
Catherine Herridge, live in Washington. Catherine, thank you.